This is an introduction to OpenCode. OpenCode is an AI vibe coding tool. It's like an IDE, an alternative to Cursor, an alternative to Anti-Gravity as well, and it's totally free. You can even combine it with Anti-Gravity to actually build whatever solution app or web app that you want to build. That's exactly the reason why I'm introducing it, because you can actually combine it with Anti-Gravity. So it allows you to code without having to worry about limited credits and all. And I'm going to show you how to set it up and how the whole interface actually looks totally. And now you can even start vibe coding. We're going to do one or two things, and you see how it works. Here we have the landing page, and how do you even get here to start with? So if we go back to Google, we type open code, and you search, and you see the first link. You click on it. It takes you to a landing page, and what you do next is, okay, let's just wait. Okay, so you click on this icon here, this tab, or this button that says free, and this arrow pointing down, it means you should download. So you download the app to your PC and you install it. Okay, when you install it, you would have the app running on your system. So, and this is even good because initially they just had it on GitHub. You have to actually download, use the repo to actually try to install it to your system. But for now, you can actually download the software. So that's an improvement. You can easily go through the landing page if you feel like. Check out the docs or go to their GitHub. So after installing this app, you're gonna have something like this. Okay, so yours might not be like this. You'll be prompted to actually create a new folder. So just look for this plus sign to start with. So once you click on the plus sign to tell you to open a project or create a new project, so what you do is you go to your desktop or wherever you want to store the documents. You just simply say new project, new folder. Click on new folder. Rename the folder. So whatever name you want, maybe the name of what you are building. Then you click on the folder and select folder. So that will be, you try to see the name here. Okay, so if you check, it says new session, getting started. Open code includes free models, so you can start immediately. Connect any provider to use models including Claude, GPT, Gemini. So you can easily connect your existing account from Gemini, GPT, or Claude to your open code, and you can start using it. This is a plus sign for you to connect. This is for you to start a new session. So this was the one I started initially, so I just named it AXA. Okay, so this is the new one we just created now. So let me just explore this whole platform. So coming here, you have all files, changes. So there's nothing here until you start doing something. Okay, this settings is for you to change a few things here. Show system notification when the agent is complete or needs attention, good. Permissions, good. And appearance, system, light, dark, use a system. English, yes, use English, definitely. Theme, what kind of theme do you want? So you adjust that from here. I think I like this purple though. This is nice. Let's use this, but somehow we'll change it later. Let's just use the one it came in. Well, confused. Let's just use this. And shortcuts. Okay, so you can actually master these shortcuts if you want, or you write them out, copy them, so you can use your keyboard to actually do things faster. You can also search and providers. So these are all the providers here. So popular providers and how you can connect them. Open router is very good. You can access all supported models from one provider. So this is where you can get free API keys. Like, how do I put it? So You know how you pay for APIs? You can actually get this from OpenRouter. Let me just show you on the browser so you know what I'm talking about. You know what OpenRouter is all about. So OpenRouter. Okay. So this is a unified interface for LLMs. Best prices, better uptime, no subscriptions. Get API key. So once you install OpenRouter, you have access to several free API keys to use. So instead of you, when you're trying to build your app and you're trying to think about how would you pay for ChatGPT, OpenAI, they're paying for their API, and because it's maybe expensive or you cannot test your app, you can easily come to OpenRouter and use their free models here and test out your app. So when you want to scale, you can now pay for those ones, pay for Claude or pay for OpenAI. But what you get from here is totally free. Okay, free to test, even though it has limits, but you can still access it to test whatever you want to test. And these are the people they work with. They work with Replit, Blackbox, and Kilo Code as well. So Kilo Code is just like open code as well, just free to use. So coming back to this interface, so you can easily connect to all these to make your experience a better one. So these are the models accessible. You have Kimi K2.5, very good model, Minimax, Trinity Large, and so on and so forth. And what else do we have here? So we're done with the settings. And this is what is this? This should be the help support. Okay, I just want to build something. It should just show up. Okay, while this is loading, I don't know why I clicked it. Okay, now you have coming here, you have, this is where you type and start building what you need to build. And you can also plan before you build if you want. Once you switch to plan, you first plan and keep this where it is at default open code Zen, and you can always change later. Okay, when you actually start building something, you want to change to some other model. So we just want to test out and see what's happening here first. Cycle thinking, medium, and so on and so forth. So let's just say we're trying to build a fitness app. So let's see how it plans. So this might take a while, and I don't think I want to waste time because this is just an introductory video. So while this is working, I could switch to this other one and do something else entirely. What if I just say, let me just build here immediately. Login page for real estate. So this is just what came to my head. Let's just see what happens. Login authentication. So these are just basic prompts. There are better ways to prompt. Okay, so that is exactly what I teach. But you can just try this just to test how this works. So let's switch back to the other one. Still planning. So I'll help you plan a fitness app. Let me first explore the current directory structure to understand what we're working with. Then create a comprehensive plan. And while this one is going to build outrightly. So the directory is empty, so we'll be creating a fitness app from scratch. Let me gather some information to create a comprehensive plan. So the plan is ready. So web application, what platform should we to the fitness app target? Web application, mobile application, desktop, full stack. So let's just say web application. What core features should the fitness app include? So let's just say we need workout tracking, submit. This is still creating. So we're just still testing what this app can do. Okay. Okay, so this will take a lot of time. So but at least you get the idea behind how this works. You can even build two separate apps at the same time. Okay. This has already detected that directory is empty. It's gonna start from scratch and so on and so forth. So it's gonna ask me a few more questions and I answer and continues to build. Okay. So and I'll have to end the video here. We'll actually look at this app a little bit more later when we are ready to start building something. Okay. And this one is still asking me more questions. It said, what technology stack would you prefer for the web application? So this. So you have to understand. I mean, you can easily browse these different stacks and what they all do the best. This full stack, simple stack, React front end, and so on and so forth. So we'll end this video here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.